Posting or sending intimate pictures of someone without their consent has been illegal in Illinois for years. But the topic came up again this session at the Capitol.
A lawmaker who was indicted on charges of posting naked pictures of women online was the factor behind a new bill aimed to protect victims whose pictures were shared without their consent. Now he's making headlines again for what he plans to do next with his case. WCIA 3's Gabrielle Franklin joins us live from our Capitol newsroom. So, Gabrielle, what is next for him?
Well, Paul, an attorney for former state rep Nick Sowers says he can't say much about his client's case, but he did refer me to another case in the state Supreme Court. Back in 2015, Illinois made what's known as revenge porn a crime, carrying a fine of up to $25,000 and 1 to 3 years in prison.
It criminalizes the, again, non-consensual sending, dissemination of the sexual image of another if the sender knew or reasonably should have known that the other party wouldn't have consented to the image being sent.
But a motion filed at the state Supreme Court in March of this year calls the revenge porn statute unconstitutional.
First Amendment protects unpopular speech, unpleasant speech, speech that can be offensive. On the other hand, those were very private images of this other person, and the Constitution, our United States Constitution, recognizes a right of privacy.
Now an attorney for former state representative Nick Sowers says he plans on raising that same argument.
Signed by Senator Bush.
After Sowers' indictment, Senator Melinda Bush passed a measure to help victims recover economic damages from people who send out sexual images without their consent. Bush saying, while we can't undo the damage revenge porn causes, we can help provide victims with the ability to hold perpetrators accountable for the harm they cause.
Well, it's important that people have a course of action to be able to respond when something harmful has happened to them. You know, whether that's a criminal action or a civil action, it's important. And in our, sort of in our justice system, you have an opportunity to be able to bring a cause of action against someone who's done something to harm you if that thing they did is illegal.
Now, that bill that allows victims to recover damages is awaiting the governor's signature. It passed both chambers without a hitch this session, Paul.
All right, Gabrielle, thanks.